Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market ever since the Fed meeting, some announcements that Powell made has definitely caused the crypto market to have a very strong pullback. But one thing that a lot of people are forgetting is not just the crypto market, but also the precious metals. You talk about the stock market, everything is down a significant amount other than the US dollar. So right now, it's probably a good time to actually panic buy. A lot of people don't use that terminology, but personally, I like to DCA into my favorite coins when everything is down. That means the rebound is most likely going to be a lot stronger. Especially this pullback was required due to the fact that the fear and the greed index was sitting at 80, but now it's definitely shifting towards the center for Bitcoin to have a little bit more room to grow to newer highs. Now also, if we talk about Dogecoin, the trading volume has jumped from 3 billion to 6 billion, so the traders are definitely making a recovery. Bitcoin and Dogecoin tumble as 700 million liquidations rock the crypto market. Powell, Federal Reserve, prohibited from holding Bitcoin was the strongest thing that actually caused the crypto market to have the pullback, and the US crypto industry pushes for regulatory reform as new administration takes space, and Morocco is doing the same thing. The first legal crypto framework is going to be happening with the World Bank's support. So there is a lot to cover today. Before we get into it, there's a lot of things that you guys need to be cautious about. First of all, if you guys want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, subscribe to this channel, because the amount of scammy channels I'm starting to see pop up on YouTube, especially the live streams, please be very careful. Don't send your crypto to anyone. There is no way to bring it back. And while you're there, after you've subscribed, drop a like on it. We're just happy to algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the Dogecoin chart. Now, it's very important for you to understand that on the 1 hour chart, ever since we have seen that pullback during the Powell's meeting, we have been able to find a little bit of a safe haven at the price of 36 cents. This has acted as a really strong support for the Dogecoin price previously, as you can see over here, and right now it's doing pretty much the same thing. I know for a short period of time we did retest close to 34 cents, and we have just one little support over here, but right now there was a little bit of a pullback which was able to have a little bit of an upward swing. Right now it's going to be very heavily dependent on the way Bitcoin is going to act to all of this news. Just to give you guys perspective, you can see that the US dollar against any other currency is climbing so quickly. So we need that to calm down and for this news to cool down. After that, when we get closer to Christmas and by the end of the year, there will be a lot more money that will be flowing into the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin. If we talk about the younger audience, I'm just talking about kids who are about 18 to 25, they're more likely to invest in meme coins, and the largest meme coin, when it has a pullback like this, a lot of people like to buy the dip. That's all I'm going to say. And Bitcoin and Dogecoin tumble as 700 million liquidation rocked the crypto market. I mean, just to give you perspective, the open interest has fallen by 6%, now sitting at 2.4 billion, and liquidations is the scary page that you probably want to miss for the next couple of days. $20 million liquidated just from the Dogecoin long positions and 5 million from the short positions. And if you look at the Bitcoin liquidations, you realize that close to just above $100 million were liquidated just in the last 24 hours from long positions alone. So you know that the market was very rocky, and that's where you need to be a little cautious. And long to the short ratio. Now, if you are going very heavy when it comes to the leverage trade, if you're doing over 100x leverage trade, right now would be a perfect opportunity to be a little cautious on the amount of money that you're actually throwing into the market, and especially the amount of leverage that you're actually taking, because President-elect Trump and Elon Musk to meet with Amazon founder Jeff tonight. Now, This news can definitely impact the whole crypto market very heavily, because this is going to be extremely interesting in terms of how this will play out. And the TD substantial indicator present a buy signal on XRP, Solana, Maker, WorldCoin on the 4-hour chart. And if you look at the way that the trends have formed, it's very clear that Dogecoin is pretty much identical as well. So Doge is definitely forming an uptrend as well. And what does this mean? Well, in simple terms, this uptrend will definitely climb back to the 40 cents to be able to consolidate around that price. Now, funding rates look like we should go 100x leverage. Now, all I'm going to say is you should probably never ever go 100x leverage, because yes, right now it looks like it's been coming down and there is more opportunity for growth, but I wouldn't recommend it. That's what I'm going to say. And if you also look at what is trending on Twitter, Doge is still one of the most trending topics that people are talking about in business and finance. 800 million was liquidated in the last 24 hours from the crypto market, and Bitcoin appears to have broken off a head and shoulder pattern projecting a target of 99,000. Must to break past 105,000 to invalidate the bearish thesis. I mean, right now it's very clear there's a little bit of room for the market to climb a little bit shorter. There's a lot of support at 100k. The liquidity shorts driving the price down. Let's see how hard we will be able to hold. That's all I'm gonna say. And Dogecoin risks 35 cents breakout. Will Doge price enter a bearish territory? Just to give you perspective, there is going to be a lot of panic news like this that's going to come out. So you need to make your own decision. Do your own diligence, because right now, if you look at the way Dogecoin is performing, there's definitely a lot of upside, but at the same time a lot of downside. So you need to make the decision in terms of what are you expecting in the near future. And Morocco to launch the first legal crypto framework, and this is the first time with the World Bank support. This is huge, because if the World Bank is slowly starting to get involved with the overall idea of what the crypto market is going to shape into the future, you guys know that the next bull run, which we will probably have in 2028 to 2029, won't be as explosive as what we're seeing right now. And Hong Kong accelerates the crypto licenses with approval of 4 new exchanges. I mean, Hong Kong is very clearly trying to become the hub of crypto. If they're able to get this through, they're going to be able to get a lot of support around the world. And Hong Kong's SFC approves licensing for a lot of different exchanges, and new exchanges are definitely going to be emerging. And Bitcoin market cap surges Bitcoin ETF asset amid the growing institutional adoption and regulatory shift. Bitcoin ETF is definitely climbing very, very quickly, and that's why a lot of the institutional or the everyday people who don't want to pay attention to Bitcoin are definitely getting thrown off, because they expect gold to do better while Bitcoin is outperforming everything. And Senate cancels vote to re-nominate SEC after crypto backlash. So right now there is a little bit of clash, but we definitely have room for growth. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.